In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective trick on how to create a long horizontal line using Microsoft Word. This is a useful skill that can come in handy whether you're formatting a document, creating a newsletter, or simply adding some visual separation between sections of text. The great thing is that it's quick, easy, and requires just 2 steps. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your document open in Microsoft Word. If it's not open yet, go ahead and launch the program, and then open the document you want to work on. Now, you might be wondering why you'd need a horizontal line in your document. Well, horizontal lines can serve a variety of purposes. They can act as dividers between sections, help organize your content, or just add a little design flair to your document. Plus, they can make a document look more professional and tidy. Here's how you can easily insert one of these lines. On the top, find the place in your document where you want the horizontal line to appear. It could be between paragraphs, under a heading, or anywhere else you feel it's needed. In this spot, all you need to do is type 3 dashes in a row. That's right, just 3 simple hyphens. After you've typed those 3 dashes, go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. And just like that, you've transformed those dashes into a neat, long horizontal line. This automatic conversion feature in Microsoft Word is extremely handy and saves you from having to navigate through menus to insert a line manually. And there you have it. You're done. That's all it takes. With just a few keystrokes, you've added a clear and well-defined line to your document, enhancing its layout instantly. It's a small addition that can make a big difference to the readability and appearance of your text. If you're thinking about experimenting a bit further, once you've inserted the line, you might want to try customizing it to better fit the aesthetic of your document. Microsoft Word allows some customization with shading and thickness, so feel free to explore those options if you like. However, for most purposes, the default line should do the trick. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Adding lines to your document is a simple way to elevate their look, and now you can do it in seconds. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this tip useful. See you in the next video.